Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about resolving the Windows error 0x8096002a, no error description available. So this will typically occur if you're attempting an extraction of a file, and there may be corrupt system files at play as well. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, let's say command prompt, right click on it, and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video. First one is a DISM scan. So go ahead and copy that from the description of my video, and then go up the top bar of the command prompt here, right click on it, select edit and paste it in. Hit enter to begin that scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. So once that scan has concluded, go ahead and copy and paste the second command in the description of my video. This is the system file checker utility scan. Once it is finished, close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.